What are you doing, Ryan?
We are putting a fully 6 sound system in the D-Max.
Fully 6 sound system.
Some Type S Alpines, little tweeters.
So the front ones are splitties, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. 6x9
Look at that, 6x9 splits. How good is that? That is very cool. I like that. There you go. And we got the Kenwood head unit going in as well. And we're going to add some speakers into the rear doors because this is the cheaper version D-Max. No speakers in the rear doors. We're going to put some in there. A bit more doof. So that's what's going to go on. We've pulled the door trims off. Head unit's out, the old one. We're going to put a reverse cam on the back of it as well. So there you go. Old one, new one. Bit more to the magnet on that, isn't there?
She's got a bit more weight in it.
So we're going to have a bit more doof. It'll be a really good time. Here we go. Going to reveal the steps.
Woo! Oh, that's fat.
Very cool. After most of our big builds, we get enough time, we like to give the car a wash. The old D-Max was a little bit dirty, and I'm like, you can't pick your car up, especially when you've put all this new kit on it and she's dirty. There's nothing better than picking your car up and she's had a bit of a bath and she looks all squeaky clean and you got all your nice new bits and bobs on it. Just makes it that little bit nicer. Get the old foam out, get the sponge out, give it a once over and make it look $1 million. Comes up awesome. So it's come up very nice. Pretty happy with it. Hope he is too. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so the not Merlot D-Max is back. Apparently it's called Garnet Red or something strange. Amy was telling me before. But this is the one we have done. Roof rack, steps, exhaust, snorkel. Jake's definitely thrown some coin at this thing already. He has got himself a canopy and we are doing a fit out on the canopy. So nothing too crazy in this. He wants it fairly simple. So just lighting on all the doors, one in the middle there. And then we're going to do like just a little tiny wall panel thing here for him. So we're just doing that for him. Where is my, there it is. We're using the Enerdrive today. So one of those, it's going to be pretty sweet. So we do have a nice 150 watt solar panel on the roof that we're mounting up and getting ready to rock and roll. So it's all happening. All guns are blazing this morning. So we will keep you up to speed with the progress. Doing here is pretty much making our board pluggable with the car side. Excuse me. That way, when we go to put this in the vehicle. We're not trying to sit the board in there and then try and fit off the board straight directly into the car. It's just literally plug, 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 and away you go. So that's pretty much what we are doing at the moment, which we're almost there. Do you want to have a quick look at what Ronnie's done in the car, and it'll kind of make sense? Really cool little setup in the D-Max. Come up awesome, real tidy as well, and I'm pretty happy with it. So